in the past I didn't share this exciting news to you that if you're using a MacBook, you can see that my cursor is moving there. I'm here actually. And now my cursor is back to the external display. I have connected this Samsung monitor with my MacBook M2 Pro, and I can easily drag this one to there and make this screen clutter-free. It's very easy, and it's been 2 years of using macOS and teaching about the macOS, but I didn't notice that this feature existed there. I always mirror my screen, and whatever is on that screen, that was exactly mirrored to this screen. And I didn't teach you how you can make it clutter-free. Maybe you can put some of the applications there on that screen. Maybe this is your screen mirroring, and some chat applications or some music application. Let's say this only this window you want to bring it here, and rest of the windows will be here on this screen. So it's very easy. If you're using any kind of external monitor with your MacBook, you can do it very simple way. So all you need to have is one docking station, a cable, no matter it's HDMI or VGA cable, whatever suits your needs, and that one side should be C-type or whatever the computer is supporting, and one laptop, one external monitor. And in the back side here you will see there are 2 ports, and both are, in my case, they are HDMI ports and one VGA port. So I got only one VGA and one HDMI ports, and I got this one. That's a FusionDock Pro Max 1 docking station by iVANKY, and I have a dedicated tutorial on this machine. And if you don't have, you can use any adapter. It could be anything. This one is like Ugreen, and you can have any adapter, whatever suits your need. It could be $10, $20, that's okay. If that can connect your MacBook via HDMI or VGA with your external monitor. So once you set up this one, then all you need to do is to power on your MacBook and then connect. And then what you need to do, just go to your setting here in the Apple system setting, and here under display, you will see these 2 screens. This one left side is the external monitor, right side is the internal monitor, and the display is set to extended. If you mirror here, then you will not see this option. That will mirror the exact screen there. But if you select extended one, then this will be separate from this window. You can put some extra luggage there. Here you need to go to arrange, and you will see these kind of windows. So if you press and hold Option button and drag on it, then it will simply mirror that screen to this screen. And if you shift this one, the smaller one is my laptop screen and the bigger one is my external monitor. So now if I just press this one, you can see my mouse cursor is not going to my MacBook. It goes sometime, but it's not there. But now if I shift this one here, it simply means my external monitor is here and the MacBook is here. So I can, you see my mouse cursor is dragging there. I can minimize this one. And now you can see my mouse cursor directly goes there and then goes here. It is very much essential if you are editing videos. Let's say I open CapCut and start any project. And now I can move this playhead there and make this area clutter-free. You can see that only this big part is here, and now I can move all these things there and keep only the timeline here. Now you can see that the timeline is here and rest of the editing tools are there, so I can easily work and make my screen bigger and clutter-free. And you can also go for other changes. Just hold Option and you can drag this one to make this display to top, bottom, left or right, to make it this one as a main display or this one as a main display. So all you need to just go and arrange them. And if you want to just mirror, then hold Option and drag on it. It will mirror the entire screen from there to here. Once again, hold Option, and that's a separate screen now. And now my mouse cursor from all the way from laptop to this one is coming here. Another cool feature is in this docking station, I also have a power button here that is connected to power with this one. But in your case, you can use your charger with the MacBook, and then what to do is to just turn it down. It simply means it's charging and the MacBook is on the sleeping mode, but display is mirrored here, so you can just keep on working no matter the MacBook is closed. And if you want two windows, then once again just open it like so, then drag any window there and open it here again. It will open like that. And if you want to drag any particular thing, just simply drag there, bring it here. So this was the video, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you want to learn more about this docking station, then there are two videos. You can watch them here or you can watch in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.